Mia, look at that. The sun is shining so brilliantly today.
It's beautiful, Michael. I love days like this when the sky is so blue.
You know, they say that the sun is like a huge star in our solar system.
Well, they're not wrong. It's just a little closer to us than the other stars in the galaxy.
I wonder what it would be like to live on the sun.
You might need some sunscreen, like a million bottles of it.
True, it would be a bit too hot for comfort. But hey, I'd never need a flashlight at night.
That's true. So, what's your favorite thing about sunny days, Michael?
I'd say it's the feeling of warmth on your skin. It's like a gentle hug from the sun.
I like that. And you know, sunny days can really lift your mood.
Absolutely. The sunshine can turn any gloomy day into a happy one.
It's like the sun is Mother Nature's way of saying, cheer up, world.
Well, Mia, on days like this, it's hard not to feel cheerful.
I couldn't agree more, Michael. It's moments like these that make life feel so wonderful.
You're right, Mia. We should cherish these sunny days and the simple joys they bring.
Definitely. They remind us to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us.
You know, Mia, I've read that sunshine can actually be good for your health.
Really? How so?
Well, the sun is a natural source of vitamin D. It's like a free daily dose of the good stuff.
So, it's not just a mood booster, it's a health booster too.
Exactly. But you've got to be careful not to overdo it. Too much sun can lead to sunburn.
Sunscreen to the rescue, then.
Yep, and a stylish hat. It's like an accessory that saves your skin.
So, are you a hat guy, Michael?
I might become one, for the sake of sun safety.
You've got to protect your most important asset, right?
Absolutely. Speaking of important assets, what's your favorite sunny day activity?
I love going for picnics. Food just tastes better in the open air.
Picnics are the best. Sandwiches, chips, and a bit of sunshine. What more could you ask for?
Exactly. And let's not forget a good book or some music to complete the scene.
It sounds like the perfect recipe for a sunny day.
It is. Michael, it's these simple pleasures that make life truly enjoyable.
You're absolutely right, Mia. Sometimes, we just need to slow down and savor the moment.
I'm glad we could do that today. It's been a wonderful conversation.
Indeed, Mia. Here's to sunny days and the joy they bring. Mia, it's funny how something as simple as the sun shining in the sky can lead to such meaningful conversations.
It is, Michael. Nature has a way of inspiring us and bringing out our true thoughts and feelings.
I'm grateful for moments like this. They remind me to appreciate the beauty around us.
The sun is like a reminder that every day is a new beginning.
That's a beautiful way to put it, Mia. It's like a fresh start every morning.
Exactly. And it's moments like these that make life truly wonderful.
We should make a habit of appreciating the simple joys, Mia.
I couldn't agree more, Michael. Life is full of hidden treasures if we look closely.
You're right, Mia. And it's even better when we can share those treasures with friends.
Absolutely, Michael. This conversation has been a treasure, indeed.
Here's to more sunny days and meaningful conversations. Well, Mia, it's been a wonderful day. I'm going to make an effort to enjoy more sunny days like this.
Go for it, Michael. And don't forget to share your sunny day wisdom with others.
I will, Mia. Maybe I'll even teach them a thing or two about vitamin D.
Who knew the sun could be so educational?
It's the best teacher in the solar system.
Well, here's to the sun, to education, and to new adventures.
To the sun, to education, and to new adventures. Mia, this has been an unforgettable conversation. I'll cherish the memory of this sunny day.
I feel the same way, Michael. Sometimes all it takes is a little sunshine to brighten our spirits.
Thank you for sharing this moment with me, Mia.
It's been a pleasure, Michael. And remember, there are many more sunny days and meaningful conversations to come.
I look forward to them. Until next time, Mia.